Good evening. Tonight we're talking about expanded notation. Now it is time to watch the video. We're talking about expanded notation. And expanded notation is just another way to write a number. So let's look at our first number, 346,923. Now, we've had these type of numbers on our daily calendar math, so we're getting pretty good at those. We break it down by place value. So our first place value to the left is the hundred thousands. And so in parentheses we put 3 times 100,000 because that is the value of that place. Then we add to that the value of the 10,000s place, 4 times 10,000. Then we add the value of the thousands place, which is 6 times 1,000. Notice the pattern. As we move to the right in place value, we lose a 0. Plus 9 times 100 plus 2 times 10 plus 3 times 1. Let's look at another one. 502,160. Pause the video and write this in expanded notation. You should have written 5 times 100,000 plus 2 times 1,000 plus 1 times 100 plus 6 times 10. And there should be a parenthesis after that. Now we're going to look at doing this in the reverse. And I have noticed that we struggle a little bit with doing this in the reverse. So one of the things that I like to do is I have 100,000, so I need to make enough draw enough lines so that I can write these in and write my number. Okay, so my first number here in the 100,000s place is 6. So I'm going to go write my 6 in the 100,000s place. My next number is 4 times 10,000. So in the 10,000s place value, I'm going to come over here and I'm going to write a 4. Next, I have 2 times 100. So I'm going to come over here to the hundreds place and put my 2. Then my next one is 8 times 10. So I'm going to put my 8 in the tens place. Now, I need to add zeros to hold these places in these other numbers. So 6 times 100,000 plus 4 times 10,000 plus 2 times 100 plus 8 times 10 is the number 640,280. Let's try this next number. I have 100,000, so I need to have 6 lines. And we know that all these place values are grouped in groups of 3. This is just simple review from classes that we've had. Now I'd like you to pause the video and write your answer in your notebook. You should have got 932,167. Now it's your turn. Write the following numbers in expanded notation. And then there are 4 problems where you have to go from the expanded notation back to the standard form. Pause the video. You should have gotten the following answers. Check yours against mine. Now it is time for your summary. Explain how expanded notation is related to place value. Then write 1034 in expanded notation. Now Ask one question that is related to expanded notation or standard form. If you have any other questions or concerns, ask tomorrow in class.